Hello everyone, I'm just glad S. Manawis. So, I've learned about transportation is it refers to the movement of goods, people, and animal from one to another. So, here's the definition and modes of transportation. They have the land, the water, and the air. So, they have and they have issues on the land transportation and the evolution of rail transportation. And here is the advantage of railways: economical, affordable, extraordinary burden limit, global, adaptable, dependable, etc. And then they have a lot of old history of transportation, like 3500 BC, like that, 40s, 50s, and that's all.